All right guys, it's hot out there, crazy hot. This week I'm driving the Chevy Bolt EV, and if you're familiar with the channel, you are familiar with these quick look videos. This is a video to show you what I'm driving for the week. If you've got any questions about it, anything specific that you want to see in the full review, you can leave that down in the comments of this video, and we'll get to that in the full review. So this isn't a full review, this is just a quick look. We're gonna jump out, take a look around the exterior, look at this interior. We're gonna talk about the price real quick and the price sheet. Then we're gonna drive it and wrap this video up. It's hot outside, so let's make this quick. All right, we got the Monroney, the price sheet right here. And of course, most of it's cut off. MSRP is $34,200. This does have a few options, including the infotainment package and adaptive cruise control. Those, including the destination charge, puts the total MSRP at $36,165. We've got the nice interior, black leather seats. We have the gray exterior color, 17-inch wheels, Bose 7-speaker surround system, and none of that's even touching on the electric power plant in here, what it's like to charge it, what it's like to drive and live with every day. Let's go ahead and hit the road. No music, no me talking, just some road noise for you. Well, let's see how the Bolt is with just road noise, and then we'll wrap up the video. So that's definitely just a quick one, but again, it's super hot out and there's not much to hear. It's with an EV, it's so quiet on the road, so we didn't need a ton of driving footage right now. Again, brand new to this car. Don't even know if I've driven the previous year models. I think I definitely have driven a Volt. I think I've driven a Bolt, but if I have, it's been a while. So again, excited to dive into this, figure out the menu system, figure out all the cool tech in it, get it to charge, see how fun we can have by hitting that instant torque. But all that's gonna come in the full review, so be sure to hit the description of this video and find our main channel if you're not subscribed already. But with that, I'm out of here. Y'all have a good one.